Closure property of addition. Look at the following pairs of integers and solve them. For example, 17 plus 23 is equal to 40. Minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus 75 plus 18 is equal to minus 57. 19 plus minus 25 is equal to minus 6. Is the sum of two integers always an integer? Yes, this is true for all integers. That is, if a and b are any two integers and a plus b is equal to c, then c will always be an integer. Thus, we can say that all integers are closed under addition. Closure property of subtraction. What will we get if we subtract these two integers? For example, 32 minus bracket minus 17 is equal to 49. Minus 29 minus 0 is equal to minus 29. Yes, after subtraction of each pairs of integers, we get again an integer. Thus, according to the closure property of subtraction, if p and q are two integers and p minus q is equal to r, then r will always be an integer. Thus, we can say that integers are closed under subtraction also. Commutative property. Consider the two integers 6 and 5. What will be the value of 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. What will happen if we interchange the positions of 6 and 5? Will the value remain the same? Yes. For example, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Thus, 6 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 6. This property is true for all integers. It is known as the commutative property of integers over addition, which states that the sum of two integers does not change even if we change the order in which they are added. Thus, integers are commutative under addition. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. Does the commutative property hold true for subtraction also? Let us see this. Consider the integers 9 and 4. Now, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, but 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, 9 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 9. Now consider the integers 8 and minus 5. We have 8 minus minus 5 is equal to 13. But minus 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 13. Therefore, 8 minus minus 5 is not equal to minus 5 minus 8. Thus, we can say that the integers are not commutative under subtraction. That is, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b not equal to b minus a. Associative property. What will be the value of the expressions minus 6 plus minus 3 plus minus 1 and minus 6 plus minus 3 plus minus 1? By solving the equation in the line representation, in both cases we get minus 10. It is known as the associative property of integers over addition, which states that if a, b and c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Additive identity. When we add 0 to any whole number, we get the same whole number. 0 is an additive identity for whole numbers. Is it an additive identity again for integers also? Now we solve some examples. First example is minus 8 plus 0 is equal to minus 8. Second example is 0 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Third would be minus 23 plus 0 is equal to minus 23. Fourth, 0 plus minus 37 is equal to minus 37. Fifth example, 0 plus minus 59 is equal to minus 59. Sixth example, 0 plus minus 43 is equal to minus 43. In general, for any integer a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. Yes, we get that 0 is an additive identity for integers.